Digital privacy battles extending until 2025 have revealed that Wi-Fi networks, which were once secure, now serve as primary targets for cybercriminals who use advanced tools for their attacks. This video reveals current strategies hackers use to breach Wi-Fi passwords while showing how to protect your network from these stealthy intruders, even when using WPA3 encryption. The most dangerous computing development today is quantum brute force attacks strengthened by quantum computing. The current password defense system implemented in WPA3 fails against modern-day attackers who can boost password-breaking speed with quantum algorithm technology. Network systems now perform millions of password attempts within the blink of an eye by effectively breaking weak and duplicate passwords. Using AI technology to conduct phishing attacks and social engineering schemes represents another hacking method. Deepfake audiovisual communication tricks users by mimicking their known contacts and technical support representatives to extort their Wi-Fi authentication details. The AI artificial intelligence models use your social media data to develop voice duplications, behavioral patterns, and contextual understanding, creating a highly realistic fraudulent activity. Electronic attacks have become more sophisticated in 2025 to capitalize on Dragonfly Handshake Protocol flaws within WPA3. The authentication process emits subtle signals of power consumption or electromagnetic output that hackers monitor to extract passwords from the device without ever reaching the network. The attack stays hidden until discovery. Hacker groups take advantage of security holes in IoT devices. Smart home devices security, including thermostats and security cameras, tends to maintain minimum security criteria. A single compromised IoT device becomes a network access point that provides intruders with unobstructed entry without requiring the Wi-Fi password. Hackers deploy access points designed as evil twins to deceive devices into connecting to their fake network, forcing them to use the outdated WPA2 protocol. The perpetrators establish a connection through which they obtain credentials or malware after victims link up with their systems. Today's password hacking processes receive significant improvements through AI-based rainbow tables, which are dynamic pre-computed databases. The number of hash possibilities is now predicted and generated through machine learning models, which also analyze password patterns, cultural references, and keyboard walking sequences, similar to QWERTY123. Recovery of complex passwords occurs within a few minutes when attackers combine stolen password lists with modern cracking methods. Your network protection requires upgrading to WPA3 encryption as your starting defense against potential threats. Update your router firmware to resolve all remaining Dragonfly protocol vulnerabilities. Not all devices support WPA3, so you should enable WPA2 AES to create a temporary protection mechanism. Venetian Wood has developed guidelines for safe passwords that require mixing uppercase letters, numbers, and symbols to reach at least 16 characters. You should avoid dictionary-based words and personal-related information when setting up your password security. A password manager allows users to store password generation in protected databases safely. Disable WPS or Wi-Fi protected setup. The convenience feature of WPS comes with multiple security weaknesses that allow malicious actors to bypass password authentication altogether. You should separate your network by establishing guest networks to control IoT digital devices. And you should place your smart devices into their own separate network to stop hackers from exploiting compromised devices. You should implement MAC address filtering as an extra step to approve trusted device entries. The security measure provides a supplementary defense system to protect against unauthorized network access, even though it may not be completely secure. A VPN-enabled router is key to securing your data because it encrypts all traffic from your network. Your data becomes entirely unusable since hackers who intercept it cannot read anything. Finally, stay vigilant. Every connected device should consistently be monitored for any unusual behavior, and AI-based network intrusion detection systems should instantly detect abnormal activity. Explain to household members and your employees both about phishing techniques and unsafe, unverified network connections. In 2025, your Wi-Fi security hinges on both technology and awareness. The ability to exceed hackers' advances transforms your network from a prone entrance to a secure stronghold. Being passive in the quantum age combined with AI technologies results in using passive passwords that demonstrate weakness.